So today I'm taking a look at mMusic Video 2 for MotionVFX. And so I recorded my own song recently called When I Step, and I quickly just filmed a music video by just filming 3 different shots of me performing the song. And here is the effects from mMusic Video 2 that I used. So they have a lot of really cool things like camera movements, which I used through this whole thing. So I have handheld. So it's making the camera move constantly. Without it, there's no movement. But once you activate it, it just makes the video feel a lot better having the camera movement. This was the handheld one. I also used Film Grunge, this one right here for the beginning. For the text, I used Typography 4. I used this one, and then just put the title of the song. And so now throughout this whole thing, I just actually was just testing out a bunch of different effects. So this one right here, I used the fisheye effect, vertical streak, pixel sorting. This handheld effect right here, I used the dynamic, which moves a lot more. I also used a lot of transitions. If you go over here to mMusic Video 2, they have just a bunch of different transitions you can use. So throughout a lot of these, I use the transitions for each thing. I like this one right here, the movement. For this shot right here, I use the rotation. So that's right here, a full 360. It's really cool. And then right here, I use the custom split screen, which you have right here in the effects, and I think it looks pretty cool. That's it for this video. The link to the music videos in the description below, or you can click right here on the screen. Also, I have the link to my song on Spotify if you want to hear it on Spotify. I highly recommend mMusic Video 2. It's pretty awesome, and it makes it very easy and fast to edit. Please consider commenting, liking, and subscribing, as it helps this channel to grow, and thank you so much for watching.